Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make your FL Studio a whole lot more organized by learning how to group your tracks in the right way. It's super easy and you won't even break a sweat doing it, so let's jump right in. Now if you have been clicking every track individually and selecting group with above track one by one, you already know how time consuming and boring that can be. But don't worry, I've got a way faster and smoother method that'll make your life much easier. Here's what you do. Instead of wasting time by clicking every track, simply click on this part of the track right here and then just drag it down. Yep, that's it. Just drag it all the way down until you reach the last track you want to group. Once you've done that, right click on any track within that selection and select the group with above track. And just like that, your tracks are instantly grouped and way easier to manage, no hassle. This little trick will speed up your workflow and keep your projects looking clean, which is always a plus. And that's it. It's super simple, right? Now you know how to group tracks in FL Studio like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more FL Studio tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.